In this video I wanna show you how to connect existing and new nail down floor. So I'm going to start installation in master bedroom. We have existing floor in hallway. I prepare all tools and now I start removing reducer. This reducer made for carpet. It's impossible to use to new floor connection, and I'm just try to remove it with chisel and hammer. So here is few options. First option, we can stagger the wood so I can remove few boards from hallway and connect floor. And for this option we don't need transition, but staggering I'm doing only for unfinished floor because it's not easy, and connection it's not looks really well. So for this installation, very simple to put board across and start installation. I'm trying to do it. I try to remove this transition very careful. Don't make any damages to existing floor. It takes time because this transition was glued to the subfloor with construction glue and with wood glue to existing floor. It's almost done. One little piece is left. Okay, so now I need to take off some 18 gauge nails. It's left from the previous transition. So I start to grind in edges because some edge is too high. I prefer to use grinder with turbo blade because this blade very easy to cut wood, and I don't have to worry about any blade damages like if I start to do it with floor edger. In old subfloor, many small screws, nails, staples, and very often sandpaper was damaged from this metal, some metal sinks. But grinder is easy, no problem. I just hit down the nail. So here was hump approximately over the 1/8, maybe more, because I grind down 3 layers of plywood. And with this grinder, very easy to take off staples from carpet, old staples. Now I just try to pre-cut with fan multi-master door frame. It's very important because I want to slide floor under the door frame. Why I need to slide wood under the door frame? Because if you make it tight to the door frame, wood expanded, and it can be lifted up on some places and or have some bumps because no space for movement. And in other things, floor don't have. It's really difficult to make profile what we have around the door frame and casing. Now I pre-cut piece. It's easy. I just cut off a side with groove. But this piece is not really straight, and I try to push it with other piece, with chisel, but it's solid wood. It's really hard to do, and I found another straight board. Pre-cut it, and this board is straight and good for transition. So here is I am sanding edges on the existing floor because some edges is too sharp. Now I am putting construction glue, and need to put glue between transition and existing floor to better connection. I'm not really like to use nails to put it through the pre-finished floor. In this case I use hot glue, and hot glue hold very strong, just couple of seconds and it's done. But hot glue not for a long time, in months or few weeks it cannot stick. Why I put construction glue? Construction glue need to dry like 1 day, but after 1 day it's impossible to remove it from the subfloor. It's really good. So I didn't tell you about straight line what I made from the existing floor. I just took chalk line and transfer this line from hallway to the master bedroom. Now I found one long board, put construction glue and hot glue and glue this long board to subfloor, and another little piece to finish this line. Just a few drops with hot glue. I didn't put too much construction glue because these pieces should be more freely to move. It's not should be very solid glued to the subfloor. Now I am putting 16 gauge nails, and this line ready to start for installation all this floor. First of all, I put wax paper. Wax paper need for easy board sliding over the subfloor, because if we don't use wax paper, very difficult to slide boards, and it can be squeaky later when it's wood touching another wood. But with wax paper it's very easy and best. I start staggering the wood, and in the next video I'll show you how to start and finish this all master bedroom. So most of you ask how to finish the end of the installation close to the wall. I'll show you it too. I hope it's not difficult. Everybody can do it.